It starts right here, and here, and here. It starts low to the ground, in the weeds, with the bees, where our hooves and roots and feet meet. It starts in the dark, where I see you and you see me. Here is where a world begins. A world where animals, children, and the planet are loved and respected. We've been dreaming of this world. Can we make it real? There is so much power in our hands to heal. It's here. Right here. It starts very small indeed. Look, it has already begun. We are making it real. And it is no longer just a dream. It's here.